Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the display icon and tap on it. And here find the option called screen on duration and tap on it. And here we have a list of durations we can select from. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, and 30 seconds. Select the duration you like, for example, 15 seconds, and tap on the check mark. And once you select the duration, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So let's wait. And here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.